Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the product description section in Amazon Seller Center. Your product description plays a vital role in providing detailed information to your customers and can significantly impact your sales. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the Inventory tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Inventory. This will bring you to a page with all your product listings. Next, find the product listing you want to update. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by entering the product name, SKU or ASIN. Once you've found the product, click on the Edit button next to it. This will take you to the product details page, where you can make changes to various aspects of your listing. Ensure you're on the Product Detail tab, where you can update the product description. Here, you'll see a text box where you can write or update your product description. To update it, simply click inside the box and type in your new description. You can use ChatGPT. When writing your product description, focus on providing clear, detailed information about your product's features, benefits, and uses. Make sure to use bullet points to make it easy to read and include relevant keywords that customers might use to find your product. Once you're happy with your new product description, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save and Finish to apply the changes. It may take a few minutes for the changes to reflect on your live product page, so be patient. And that's it. You now know how to update the description section for your product listings in Amazon Seller Central. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel,